Ever wondered what Sydney bees are really collecting right now? Watch closely. Those foragers aren't just visiting gum trees and bottle brush. In Sydney suburbs, bees often flock to non-native plants like lavender, rosemary, clover, and even citrus blossoms. These imported garden favorites bloom prolifically in autumn when native nectar slows, offering vital food for bees as they prepare for winter. You'll spot bees working clusters of purple lavender or darting between backyard lemon trees, gathering nectar and pollen to sustain the hive. This diverse diet helps colonies build up stores before the cold sets in. For beekeepers, it means autumn honey can have surprising floral notes, sometimes lighter or more herbal, reflecting what's flowering nearby. Monitoring which plants bees prefer allows us to understand the local nectar flow and better support our hives. Right now in Bee-Croft, you'll see bees making the most of every available bloom, native or not. That's the real buzz behind Sydney's unique honey. This is something we often see working with bees here at Bee-Croft Honey in Sydney.